think that United Black World Month is so much more than a series of events.
It's a celebration of African people.
It's a time where OSU recognizes the history, the culture, and the stories of Black people across the diaspora and here on campus.
Black movements, stories of our resistance, means reflecting on the past and everything that we went through.
There's a history of Black people making a change and resisting and holding their own and finding out their true identity.
There's a group of influencers who are really passionate about these topics, so just the effort they put into it and being able to attend and gain so much new experience is going to be critical.
There are a lot of programs in the month of February, and I believe that the biggest benefit would be just becoming educated on the stories of our resistance, which is the theme for this United Black World Month.
We would not be where we are at today if there wasn't for resistance, and we still need to resist plenty of institutions and oppressors today. So to be able to look back on that history and know how to use it in a modern context is very important.
Being able to appreciate that resistance and not seeing it as radical is something that's enlightening and something that can just change the masses and just move people to know the true identity of people before us.
This year we will be celebrating the 48th annual United Black World Month with the theme of Black Movements, Stories of Our Resistance.
Events will be happening throughout the month of February, and you can find more info at mcc.osu.edu.